If your windows are fogging up or you're noticing a nasty smell inside your car, this video is for you. I'm going to show you how to swap your cabin air filter in record time and how to pick the right one. In just a few minutes, we'll get your interior back to mint condition so you can enjoy the drive again. No fluff, no filler, let's get to work. The whole swap is super straightforward. I'm using a 13mm socket to unscrew the plastic locks on each filter cover, both on the left and right side. Then, I just slide off the metal tension clip that holds the filter in place and set both parts aside. Now, pulling the filter out of the housing takes a bit of finessing, but once it's out, you can see exactly why it smelled like gym socks in here. This thing is ancient, moldy, and straight up nasty. I honestly have no clue when it was last changed. I'm giving the housing a quick wipe to get rid of all that gunk before cracking open the new one. When it comes to filters, I always go for carbon-activated ones. They're literally just a few bucks more, but they perform way better. That active carbon keeps them working longer and filtering harder. Unlike the cheap, non-carbon ones that are basically trash after one season, these don't need any special attention. If you're enjoying this video, smash that like button. It seriously gives me the motivation to keep these coming, so thank you. Now, I'm sliding the fresh, clean filter back into place. Be careful not to tear it. Take your time and be gentle on both sides. Any accidental damage here could let moisture and gunk leak straight into the cabin. And trust me, we definitely don't want that mess inside. Once that's set, I'm heading back to the car to reinstall these squeaky clean covers. I'll start on one side, snapping the lock into place and tightening those plastic screws. Word of advice, be extra careful not to snap them, especially on a classic like this. They get pretty brittle with age. I'll repeat the same process on the other side, and just like that, we're all done in a matter of minutes. If you liked this one, definitely check out my video on a full glow plug system overhaul. Take care, and catch you in the next one.